Alright, so I am glad I pre-labeled all of these things before I cut this out. I ended up cutting this weird thing out, and then I found out that there is a ground that needs to go behind the seat. So somewhere in here there's a circuit that was preventing my motor from starting. While I got you here, I am going to show you all the stuff that I'm doing. I'm getting the soundproofing on the walls just to deaden it a little. I'm now measuring the bars so I can get some new cots made. I have started the first layer of top coat. I'm doing the gray, white, gray. I've taken off the doors. We're gonna do prepping on the doors, and still have the floor open, but top is up. I have one more set of bars that's going up here, and that is the other cot that I'm gonna be taking measurements for. And oh, I did get the dash touched up. Got a nice little white touch up on the dash, and I gotta go through and clean up all my overspray. But yeah, it's pretty fun. I'm gonna do the ceiling next and get that covered up so I can start doing a liner in it. And that's about where I'm at with this. Thanks for watching.